Peace family, Kefre has risen. Ashe to my ancestors. May the peace and the blessings be upon them today. So yesterday I passed out about 400 to 500 papers on Know Your Rights, U.S. constitutional law, and police engagements with citizens, right? So you can know how to respond to police so they won't violate your rights, right? I kind of left like maybe 3 out of the bunch on the papers that I given out. So I'm gonna give you the case law to the ones that I left out, right? Number one, when you're in a motor vehicle, police can't ask the passenger for identification. In fact, the passenger can actually just get out of the car and walk away if they choose to do so, because that's their right. But never answer any questions. Cops who pull you over always tell them that you don't answer questions after giving your license, registration, and insurance. You don't have to answer any questions. Absolutely none. Not where you're going, where you're coming from, none of that, right? And at any time you feel violated, always call a supervisor, right? And officers on the street in public, they don't have to. You don't have to give them ID. And that case law is Camilla versus the state of New Jersey. So let me see what else I may have left out. Trespassing. It falls under 2C:18-3, which states that in order for a cop to trespass you, he can't trespass you from a public sidewalk. Any public sidewalk that's public accessible, you have a right of way to be on the sidewalk. He can't trespass you. Neither can a cop be a complainant. So in order to trespass you from a public space or a public property, he's not capable. He has no authority to do so. All right. So that's illegal. That's not law. He can't trespass you. If you are in a private business or a private home, and police they will have to get permission from the private homeowner or the private business operator to trespass you from the business only, not the public sidewalk. All right, and that's under NJSA 2C:18-3. That's the case law for that. So that's the end of that. Today I'll be downtown within about an hour this morning. I hope we could come together as a collective to find a solution to our problems. Always pull out your cameras before talking to police. Always film and record any documentation of an event that you may feel that's unjust. All right, just record the police, period, because they need to be recorded. All right, can't trust them and what they say, especially in court. So I just want to say that about sums it up. Peace.